What if I told you that right now, with $0, zero experience, and just a phone, you could start making real money online? Not a get-rich-quick scheme. Not a scam. Just simple, proven methods that thousands of people are quietly using to earn extra income every single month. Stay till the end, because the last method is the one most people completely overlook, and it might be the easiest one of all. Method number 1, Fiverr microservices. Here's the thing about Fiverr. People think you need to be a designer or a developer to make money on it. You don't. Right now, people are making $5 to $50 per gig doing things like writing product descriptions, making simple logo designs on Canva, transcribing short audio files, even creating basic Excel spreadsheets for small businesses. Here's how to start. Go to Fiverr.com. Create a free account. Think of one simple thing you can do, even something basic. Create a gig, add a nice description, and you're live. Your first order could come within days. And once you get 5-star reviews, orders start coming automatically. Method number 2, flipping free stuff for profit. This one sounds too simple, but people are making hundreds of dollars a week doing this. Go to Facebook Marketplace. Filter by free. You'll find sofas, electronics, furniture, clothes, all being given away because people just want it gone. Pick it up, clean it. Take good photos. Relist it for $20, $50, even $200 depending on the item. Zero investment. Pure profit. One guy in the US turned a free couch he found online into $180 in 48 hours. That's real money from literally nothing. Method number 3, selling digital products. This is where things get interesting because you make it once and sell it forever. Digital products are things like budget templates, resume templates, workout plans, recipe ebooks, study guides. You create them once on Canva or Google Docs, completely free, and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. A simple budget spreadsheet on Etsy can sell for $5 to $15. If 100 people buy it, that's $500 to $1,500 from one product you made in an afternoon. No shipping, no inventory, no customer calls, just pure passive income. And here's that bonus method I promised, the one most people sleep on. Getting paid for your opinions. Apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars pay you real cash to watch videos, complete surveys, and test websites. You're already scrolling your phone for hours, why not get paid for it? It's not going to make you rich, but $50 to $200 extra per month doing something you already do. That's your phone bill paid. That's groceries covered. Small money adds up. And when you combine all 4 methods, you've got multiple income streams running at the same time with zero startup cost. So let's recap. 4 ways to make money from scratch. 1. Fiverr microservices. 2. Flip free items. 3. Sell digital products. 4. Get paid for opinions. All free to start. All beginner friendly. All working right now in 2026. If this video helped you, smash that like button and follow for more money tips every week. And drop a comment below, which method are you starting with?